Hi everyone, welcome to online classes. This is again a 3D session. In this session, we discuss one more bookwork in plane. It is also very important from the point of examination. The bookwork is derive the equation of plane in normal form. Both in vector and Cartesian form. So don't miss this bookwork. It is very important. Don't miss. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಲರ್ನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಓದಬೇಕು. So let us consider coordinate system. So O is the origin, OX is the x-axis, OY is the y-axis, OZ is the z-axis. Let us consider a plane. This is the plane, right? This is perpendicular distance. This is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. So call this point as N. ON is a perpendicular from origin. Call that perpendicular distance as D. So what is D? D is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. ಆ ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು N. So ON is a normal. So along ON there is a unit vector is there. That unit vector is n cap, small n cap. N cap is a unit vector along ON. Suppose let us take a point 2, 3. This is the point A. So 2, 3 means here from x-axis O. This is O. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. 2 means origin in the point tanka along x-axis is 2. From origin to this point along y-axis is the distance is 3. That is 2, 3. What is 2? 2 is a x coordinate. X coordinate means the distance from origin to the point along x-axis. That is 2. So 2 is a magnitude. Along x-axis, I is a unit vector. Along y-axis, j is a unit vector. Then this vector point A, 2, 3. This becomes a position vector. Join OA. That OA called as simple again A. That is position vector. This becomes 2. X-axis unit vector I plus, okay, 3j. So 2 is a magnitude, I is a unit vector. So in the same way here ON equals D is a magnitude, means distance. N cap is a unit vector. So ON equals D n cap. This is the concept. Once again, let us consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from origin is D. ON is a normal from O. N cap is a unit vector along ON. So let us consider equation beko. Let us consider a point P. Any point in a plane. Join NP and OP. Any P is any point with position vector R and NP, arrow mark, N kade. This is arrow mark main. Okay. Once again, let us consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from origin is D. ON is the normal. N cap is a unit vector along ON. Therefore, ON equals D into n cap. D is a magnitude, n cap is a unit vector. Example 2 idre 2i ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ, 3 idre 3j. Because I is a unit vector, in the same way n cap is a unit vector. Therefore, ON vector equals D into n cap. Right? Next, P is any point in a plane. Its position vector is R. Join Pn. Here ON is a perpendicular, means normal. ON is normal means ON perpendicular to plane and also perpendicular to NP because P is a any point. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓ ಇಂದನೇ ಇದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್, ಯಾವುದು ಓ ಎನ್. ಸೊ ಓ ಎನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇನ್, perpendicular to any point. Therefore, here ON perpendicular to NP. This is the concept. Yes, consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from origin is D. ON is the normal from origin to the plane and n cap is a unit vector along ON. Therefore, ON equals D into n cap. D is a magnitude, n cap is a unit vector. Therefore, ON equals D into n cap. Right? Let P is a any point on a plane with position vector R. P is a any point with position vector R. Then ON perpendicular to NP because ON is perpendicular to plane and also any point. Therefore, P ON perpendicular to NP or NP, arrow mark, NP perpendicular to ON. So, NP perpendicular to ON, NP perpendicular to ON means NP dot ON equals 0. Suppose A and B are perpendicular, then A dot B equals 0. In the same way, NP perpendicular to ON means NP dot ON equals 0. Substitute what is NP? NP we don't know, therefore reverse. NP means OP minus ON, arrow mark, dot ON equals 0. Substitute what is OP? R minus ON. ON means here ON is a vector, D is a magnitude, n cap is a unit vector along ON. Therefore, ON equals D into n cap. So, ON means D into n cap dot again ON D into n cap equals 0. Now simplify. R minus D into n cap dot n cap equals 0 because D is a constant. So, 0 by D become 0. Shift ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, D 0 by D is 0 because D is a scalar constant distance. N cap shift ಆಗಲ್ಲ because n cap is a unit vector. Now multiply R dot n cap minus D n cap dot n cap equals 0. So, R dot n cap minus D n cap dot n cap equals 0. So, this is vector R dot n cap minus D. N cap into n cap is a unit vector. N cap is a unit vector. Unit vector into unit vector become 1 because we have formula I dot I dot product. I dot I equals J dot J equals K dot K equals 1. Unit vector I is a unit vector, I is a unit vector, their dot product is I square agalla mele I dot I 1. In the same way, unit vector into unit vector become 1. So, remaining minus D equals 0. Last step, R dot n cap equals shift D. So, R dot n cap minus D equals 0 minus the shift R dot n cap equals D. This is the vector equation of a plane, that is normal form. That's all. In Cartesian form. Cartesian form ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ XYZ. Vector form means in terms of R. Formula R dot n cap equals D. This is vector equation. Now we have to reduce this equation to Cartesian form. So, R in terms of XYZ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ R ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು, n cap ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು, D ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್? ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಆ ಎನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? P. ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? XYZ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ P is a any point with coordinate XYZ, then position vector R equals XI plus YJ plus ZK. That is R. What is n cap? N cap is a unit normal vector along ON. Unit vector ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. If it is unit vector we get direction cosines. So call those direction cosines as LMN or direction cosines of n cap. Therefore n cap equals Li plus Mj plus Nk. R banth n cap banth. Next we have formula. We have vector form R dot n cap equals D. Substitute R means here xi plus yj plus zk dot d dot n cap means here li plus mj plus nk equals d. Now dot product ಮಾಡಿ x into l xl means lx I dot I 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ y into m my lx plus my plus k dot k 1 becomes zn means nz equals d. This is the Cartesian form of equation of a plane in of normal form. So lx plus my plus nz equals d. What are the abbreviation? X, y, z, any point? LMN are direction cosines of n cap. D is a perpendicular distance from origin. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ? ಇಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ cosines. If the given direction ratio, call those direction ratios as A, B, C. ಆಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This equation modified as AX plus BY plus CZ equals D. This is also equation of a plane when the given normal vector. This is normal unit vector. This is normal vector is given. Here LMN are direction cosines. Here A, B, C are direction ratios.